Where have styles and layouts gone in Canva? Yes, they've moved. I've been asked this a lot. Let's find them. This is a Where in Canva video where I help you find features or tools that may have moved or changed in Canva so you can get your work done more efficiently. We'll use this demo brand Pizza & Co. to find the Styles tab. For many people, it is now moved as of April 2026. Previously, Styles was found in the Design or Templates tab on the side panel, but it's moved. Fear not, it has landed in the Edit button. Click your canvas or background, then Edit Page. As Canva is adding new releases at the time of this recording, I've grayed mine out, but you will see editing features in your account when they've rolled them out. You'll see Styles just like before. Click See All to open it up. Now I can find my brand colours for Pizza & Co. and click to shuffle through some style suggestions. You can choose from colours or fonts to change up the styles. I like this colour combination, so I'll keep it for my design. Accessing your brand kit in Styles is a Canva Pro feature, but you can access other combinations in Canva on a free account. You can apply colour and font combinations to see which ones you like. Or you can just stick to colours, or you can stick to fonts. Canva has plenty of combinations to choose from on a free plan. But if you want to add your brand kit and access your brand fonts in Styles, then you can take Canva Pro for a spin on my free trial at sociallysorted.com.au/Canva. I'll add the link in the description. Layouts may show up differently depending on what you click. In this design, if we click the thumbnail and then edit, you'll see a suggested series of layouts for this design. I can choose one if I like it better than my current layout and add it to my document. I can edit it to suit my design and I'm good to go. I hope this helps you find styles and layouts. Let's hope this is the new home in Canva for a while, but if anything changes, I'll add the instructions to the description and the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell. It helps me create more content for you. And be sure to watch the next quick tip video in this series. Stay creative.